one. This is quite popular. I think most of them know about this backpack. This retails for 2,499 rupees. This is a 50-liter backpack from the brand called as Quechua Decathlon. So yeah, let's see what all it has got. This is the main compartment. See, there's a hook. There is a hook, and then there are multiple zips. Even if one zip doesn't work, you can use the other two zips. There are 3 zips in total. And then the compartments are quite spacious. Inside also, see, it's quite spacious. You can store a lot of stuff in here. There is a place to keep your shoes. Usually when we trek, since the shoe gets all dirty and all that, we don't want to mix it with the actual clothes. So there's a compartment here where you can actually store your shoes, this one. And there's also a zip where you can store your cash or any important documents right in here. And then, see, while you purchase any of the backpacks, it is important to have a very good spine support, this back support. So there is actually a rod in here. See, there is a rod in here to support the back. So that way the weight that you put inside in the backpack, that is not going to affect your spine in any way. So it is very important to choose such a backpack which gives you good back support. And then the inner lining is also all waterproof. See, all this material, this is waterproof, but this, whatever the grey part you can see, this is not waterproof. And then we have a side compartment also. You can store your shoes or power bank or anything like that, small things. There's one on this side also. And let me tell you, these straps are really sturdy and good, because I've used this backpack for like 4 years. This is actually my brother's backpack. I had the same backpack. I used it for almost 4 years, and one of the zips went off, and I went to Decathlon and I asked them for replacement. And any backpack, that hiking backpack that you buy from Decathlon, it has a 10-year warranty. So they replaced me with this backpack, but I really love this color, so I thought I'll review this also for you. See, if you're planning for say a week's trek or a small travel or anything, this is a really good backpack to invest in. But if you're a extensive trekker, you're trekking for months together, I would not suggest this, because this is quite small for that kind of treks and travels, because this can hold only 50 liters of quantity. So you get my point, right? See, for class 50 means its capacity is 50 liters. And over here you can place your water bottles, and then after placing your water bottles, make sure you tighten it like this. Okay. On the other side also you've got place to keep your water bottle. And most of you would be wondering, why is this particular tag like thing, right, like a knot like thing? This is to keep the trekking pole. You can pass your trekking pole through this, and it will keep your trekking pole secured. Okay. So we also have a small zip here, so you can store your paracetamol, house keys, or some change. See, my brother has actually stored some medicine. So this is that compartment. And then after you wear your backpack, you can secure it like this. You can just clip it like this, right? So the entire backpack stays in place. And one more important thing while you wear your backpack is that make sure your weight gets evenly distributed on your spine. If not, it is going to injure your spine, and you also get tired of wearing such heavy backpacks for a long time. So if you ask me, if you're a beginner, you're planning to purchase a backpack to travel or to do some small hikes, this is a very good backpack to invest in. It is 2,500 rupees. So you can get this. This gets a thumbs up from me. So this is my favorite. Currently I'm using this for last 1.5 years. So yes, this is also from the same brand, 4th class. This is the sign of Quechua. So what is the difference between this backpack and the previous backpack is that this is a 60-liter backpack. Design is almost similar. the same thing, it has one main compartment. There is a knob, you can remove this, and there are 3 zips as usual. And then one main compartment. These are all the things that I carry for treks. These are all not given inside the backpack only. So yeah, so here also we have a place to keep our shoes, this compartment below. Okay, you can store your shoes here. And then we also have the same compartment which we had for the other backpack, where you can store all your personal documents or some money or anything like that. And again, the spine support, you know, this one, this is very important. Okay, you better wear it once, try it in the store, but if you would ask me, out of my experience, I would say all these backpacks are really good. They give you very good spine support. And then again, we have space for water bottle on either of the sides. Then we have 2 other pockets. I usually use it to store my flip-flop or my, you know, sanitary kit and all of that. So, you know, I have covers like this. In this I keep my flip-flop and then just throw it here. So while I'm trekking, if I have to remove my shoes and I need to keep my feet dry, I wear flip-flops. So during that time, it'll be easy for me to store my flip-flops. So this is the place. And yeah, I told, right, this place is for storing water bottle, but sometimes while traveling, if I have some plastic or anything like some chocolate I ate, that is very rare, but even if that happens, I just take all the waste and just keep it here, get it back to city and then dump it. Then again, this also has this small pocket where you can keep your keys. See, I have stored green tea in this because I'm a sucker for green tea. So yeah, I have green tea in this particular packet. And I told you this loop is for hiking pole. See, this is a hiking pole from Decathlon itself. And then you just have to insert this through this and then pass it through the other loop and just tighten it. Okay, so it will be secure, right? And I forgot to show one more thing. Both the backpacks, they have a top compartment. I usually keep a waterproof mobile cover, you know, maybe a couple of cables, my hair bands and all of that. Other than that, you might be wondering what is this particular elastic for. You can keep your sleeping bag here, because when your complete backpack is full, you don't have space, you can keep your sleeping bag here. It will fit in, no need to worry. And if you have your tent, right, once your backpack is full, you can just place your tent here in this space. See where I've placed my hand, you can place your tent right here, right? And if you have a mat or something, you can place it here. There's a loop also, right? So you can place it here and then, you know, buckle it up. It's that easy, that simple. So this is 60-liter backpack, similar features compared to the 50-liter backpack. This is a hiking backpack, not a proper mountaineering kind of a backpack. But you can sufficiently carry enough stuff in this particular backpack. And this one retails for 500 rupees more than that backpack. So when I said, right, like I lost my other backpack because the zip just went off. So I got it replaced for this backpack. And I paid 500 rupees extra. So Decathlon has this policy, any backpack that you buy, if you have a bill and within 10 years if it gets damaged, they are going to replace the product as long as you have a valid reason for the damage of the product. So it's a very good idea to get it from Decathlon, because you have 10-year warranty and it's a good backpack, okay? And I would also suggest you to buy one more product along with your backpack, that is the rain cover. So the cover that I have here is 55 to 80 liter one. So this can cover a backpack which is of the quantity 55 to 80 liters, right? So this will cover this backpack and anything up to 80 liters. So when it rains, when you're trekking during the rains or even traveling during the rains, this is going to protect your backpack. I think I will show it to you how this is used. See, I know a lot of you people would know how to use it, but my YouTube channel is all about, you know, teaching everything to the beginner from scratch. So please don't mind if you already know it, it's good, but this is for people who actually don't know. See, this is how you cover your backpack. That way your backpack will be safe during the rains also, right? And then again the same feature after wearing this backpack, and you should adjust your straps clearly, okay? You should make sure that the weight is equally distributed along your spine, right? Don't use your backpack like, you know, one side it's hanging like this with lot of weight, on the other side it's like, you know, up, the other side it is down. Don't be like that, okay? Don't use the backpack like that. That's not the right way to use it. So make sure the weight is evenly distributed between the two arms. And then once you wear your backpack, you can also buckle up around your waist, and again the straps are adjustable. One good thing about these backpacks is the straps are really good. See, I'm not being biased. After using these particular backpacks for good 4 to 5 years, I think I can suggest you to buy this, because I've previously, when I was a beginner, I got backpacks for say 1,000 rupees also, but those for backpacks, their straps weren't that good. They would come out, and the back support, the metal rod which I showed you, even that wasn't so great. So in that case, I would suggest, you know, save a little bit more and invest in a very good backpack, because it is going to serve you for a long time, right? And then one more thing is, your back gets a very good support because of this cushioning. See, the cushioning is very good. It's padded, so it is going to give a very good support for the back. So this backpack is also a buy from my end, like, you know, I give a thumbs up. You can buy this, okay? So yes, that's it for my review video. Both the backpacks are great. If you ask me, I would suggest you to get the 60 liter one, because it's only 500 rupees extra and you get to you know, fill in other 10 liters. So yeah, go for a 60 liter one. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll come up with the next video. Thank you.